Wishing you a wonderful afternoon mga ka-oka. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So for this video mga ka-oka is nandito tayo sa computer lab. It's because dito tayo nagka-class. So medyo pagod na makinig but we need to listen. It's because para kung tawagin tayo, so meron tayong ikakasagot sa ating guro. So we discuss a lot.
Mice can sing. Its friends from the midst, everything within the frame. Immediate terms it has.
So that's my video for today's channel mga ka-oka. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel again and hit the notification bell for more updates.